Mainstage is Apple's digital music software designed specifically for live performance. It comes with a large library of sounds, a versatile interface, and best of all, is reasonably priced through the App Store. It is popular with theater musicians, worship bands, gigging keyboard players, and others who use MIDI instruments in performance. Players can easily design sounds and move quickly from one patch to another in performance. Getting the MalletSTATIon to connect with Mainstage is simple. Plug in the MalletSTATIon using a USB cable and open a new concert in Mainstage. Pearl provides a Mainstage template with many common percussion instruments already loaded and organized into patch lists. It also has the gap caps, pedals, faders, and preset buttons built into the layout. I'll post the link to the file in the description below. My gigging concert uses Mainstage's standard layout with over 300 patches so far. Because I'm using Fourscore to organize set lists, the order doesn't matter. What is important though is that the program numbers associated with each patch stay the same as new tunes are added. New patches are always added to the bottom of the list because I use the reset program numbers command to set the patch number to the next number in the sequence. To the right of each patch's name is the patch number and the memory allocation for that particular sound. I need to see the bank and patch numbers in order to know what to put in my Fourscore files. From the patch list pull-down menu, select Display option, then Show Bank and Program Numbers. I noticed in the MalletSTATIon template, some but not all of the patches are displaying the bank number. To fix this, pull down from the Patch List pull-down menu to Set Bank and Program Numbers. You should now see B1, P1, Bank 1, Program 1 at the top of the list. As explained in the previous video, Fourscore would need to send bank 00 and program 0 to load the patch 1 marimba sound. For solo gigs, I play along with backing tracks. To add an audio file to the mix, click on the plus sign in the channel strip section of the display. Click on the mixer icon if it's not visible. Then select Software Instrument and Create. Click on the Input button for the new track and select Playback Stereo. Click in the File field and navigate to the disk location of the audio file you want to use. AIFF files are the most efficient format to use in Mainstage. Next, click on the tool icon and select Start with Play Action. The file will now respond to the transport controls at the top of the screen or the space bar. To use the MalletSTATION's switch pedal to play the backing track, we need to assign a transport function to it. In the MalletSTATIon template, we need to be in edit mode. As this applies to all your patches, select the patch list name at the top of the window and then click on Assignments and Mappings in the Screen Control Inspector. Select Foot Switch 1 from the assignment list. Then select Actions and pull down to Play. Once selected, the MalletSTATION switch pedal will start the track. If the track starts when the pedal is released, flip the polarity switch on the pedal as was described in an earlier video. If you're not using the template, you will probably have to add the pedal to your layout. First, go to Layout mode. Then from the Screen Controls palette, grab the foot switch icon and drag it into the layout diagram. Selecting the icon will bring up the Screen Control Inspector. If you recall from the MalletSTATION editor video, we configured the switch pedal to send control number 21 to MIDI channel 1. By clicking on the Assign button at the top of the hardware input and depressing the pedal, it should populate the menus with the correct settings: MIDI port, MalletSTATION, and channel 1. From there, follow the instructions above to assign the transport function. To send the audio to a powered speaker or interface, the audio settings may need to be changed. Pull down from Mainstage Preferences to Audio. The available destinations will be listed in the output menu. I give a lot of outdoor performances where there is no power source. As mentioned earlier, the MalletSTATION power comes from the laptop. For longer jobs, I have external 87-watt batteries to power the laptop and MalletSTATION through a USB cable. I also use a battery-powered speaker, so no external power source is required. Our gigging system is complete. As charts are selected in Fourscore, the sounds and backing tracks are loaded into Mainstage, and the MalletSTATION's preset is selected. With a tap on the page turner pedal and another on the switch pedal, the music comes up and playback begins. I hope these videos have helped. Everyone's setups will be different, so some of the software-specific instructions may not be of use to you, but maybe some of the concepts and strategies will help you build and optimize your own gig rig.